Nouns.
Pangalan. Pangalan. Ito ay salita na tumutukoy sa ngalan ng tao, bagay, hayop, lugar, at pangyayari.
In English, it is called nouns. Whatever we see around us are nouns. It is a name of a person, thing, animal, place, or event. Here are some examples.
Persons or tao. Ana.
I'm Anna.
Bata.
Super!
Lolo at lola. Police officer. Doktor.
Hello.
Teacher.
Good morning.
Things or bagay. Bola.
Chair. Guitar.
Lapis.
Hamburger.
Orasan. Animals or hayop. Oso. Pagong.
Dog. Bee.
Ahas.
Owl.
Places or lugar.
Playground.
Ospital. Luneta Park. Paaralan.
Mall.
Event o pangyayari.
Concert.
Kaarawan.
Happy birthday.
Wedding. Accident.
Pasko.
Remember,
Nouns and pangalan are the same.
both are names of persons, things, animals, places, and events.
Persons or tao.
Do you know what this is? It's an astronaut.
Things or bagay. Ano ito? Ito ay puno. Animals or hayop.
Do you know what this is? It's a dolphin.
Places or lugar.
Do you know what this is? It's the Philippines.
Event o pangyayari. Ano ito? Ito ay baha o flood.
Nouns.
Pangalan.